In this video, you'll learn how to add USDT to your Phantom wallet. This process will help you manage your USDT securely within the wallet application. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet on your device. If you've not installed the application, please download it from the appropriate app store or the official website. Once the application is open, you will be presented with your wallet dashboard. Next, locate and click on the Receive button. This option is usually found prominently on the main screen of your wallet. After clicking Receive, you will see a list of different cryptocurrencies that you can receive along with your wallet address. Select the correct network for USDT. Phantom supports multiple networks, but the most common for USDT is Solana. You may also choose Ethereum, which is an ER20 token, or any other supported network that you prefer. Make sure to choose the same network that you plan to use for the deposit. Once you have selected the network, copy your wallet address. This address is unique to your Phantom wallet and is essential for receiving USDT. You can copy it by clicking the copy icon next to the address or by manually selecting and copying the text. Now, navigate to your exchange platform such as Binance or Coinbase. Once logged in, look for the option to withdraw USDT. Click on Withdraw and ensure you choose the same network that you selected in your Phantom wallet. After selecting the network, paste your Phantom wallet address into the designated field. It is important to double check that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Once confirmed, proceed to complete the withdrawal process by following any additional prompts provided by the exchange. After the transaction is processed, USDT will automatically appear in your Phantom wallet once it arrives. Depending on network congestion, this may take a few moments. If the transaction is delayed, you can check the status on the Blockchain Explorer for the network you are using. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.